Hi. hmm. I'm just waiting for a couple more people to come. And so the basic reason that I am here and I'm having this live session today is so that I can get to meet you guys. I mean, you guys can get to meet me. I can't meet you. But y'all can meet me, y'all can talk to me about everything. And most importantly, I've had a lot of appreciation, which I'm very, 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 very thankful for. Uh, a lot of people have actually messaged me and commented on my posts and all of that, saying that they really liked me in Hasmukh, and I am super super glad that y'all like the show. I know it's the kind of show that is very I mean, it will appeal to some, it may not appeal to some, and it's it's a very different concept. So a lot of people have actually liked it, and I've got a lot of appreciation for the role that I've played. And if you guys haven't watched it yet, please go watch it. It's streaming on Netflix. uh, I'm also here to answer questions, and so shoot away. If you guys are done saying hi, that's all I can see right now. So please ask me questions about whatever it is that you guys want to ask me. I have a lot of people who say they want to talk to me, so here's your chance. Shoot. Everybody's just saying hello. Like everyone's just warming up, I think. Hmm. Hi, hello. I am good. Hi. Thank you. Uh, Year after Hasmukh, yes. That's why I'm here, so that all of you who have come and like started following me on my social handles after watching me in Hasmukh. I'm here for you guys to say thank you so much for so much love. I am super overwhelmed. I have absolutely no way to thank you guys. Like, this is my way of thanking y'all. So please accept my thanks. So yeah. Mm, I'm really glad that you think I am an epitome of grace. Uh, Thank you. Um, you've seen Hasmukh twice, Ravi Kheradia. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you liked it enough to see it twice. Um, Probably, like, if you see it more than once, you get into the second layer. I think it's with every movie or show or whatever. You watch it once and it's like upar, and then you keep watching, and it's like, yeah. So I'm just going to quickly. Okay, so I have like 4 questions as of now that I can see. So one is not a question. It's thank you. It says your love. So thank you. Uh, Love from Pakistan. I'm super super happy. Hasmukh was number 3 on Netflix Pakistan. I mean, you guys are really like giving me and the team and the show a lot of love. I love you guys. All the love back to y'all. Um, have I lost any weight? I think I have since the lockdown, because a lot of like my meals are now from home, and I don't eat bahar ka khana anymore. So that's like, I think that's like the key to lose weight if you guys want to. I've lost weight because of it. Who's your most liked actor? My most liked actor. Um, there are a lot of really really good actors, and I very honestly, I don't have like a favorite as such, because I like if you want to know my crush, like the actor I have a crush on, that's Khal Drogo from Game of Thrones. I stopped watching after he died. I don't watch Game of Thrones, but I really like Jason Momoa, so yeah. Questions, please keep asking. Taj Mohammad Durrani. Hi. Your series is very good. Thank you. You look absolutely gorgeous. Love to have you in the night. So, okay, guys, you all have no clue about this, but I very recently did like a little tiny cameo kind of thing in this show on Sub TV called Tenali Rama. And I didn't post about it anywhere because I started shooting and then the lockdown was announced. So I've not really shot for the show, but I shot for like 3 days and couple of scenes, and that's about it. So I didn't know when it aired, very honestly. So I have like if you guys have watched it, great. I'm so happy because I had no idea what time the show came on Sub TV. I have no idea where we are in the point of the show. Yeah, if you all have watched it, then thank you. My video was paused because I was looking at some questions. A lot of love from you guys for Hasmukh. That is really, really like I don't know what to say. I'm very happy. You can see the smile on my face. I can't stop smiling since so from the 17th of April till today. I have not been able to stop smiling because of you guys. I am so happy that you all have loved my character. I'm so happy that you all have loved me, and a lot of you have written saying you all have a crush on me. Big kiss. Gautam, I will take in my live video next time. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna call you soon, okay? What happened to my oh, okay, so guys, this is because I was getting bored, and I was in that stage in my life where I needed some change, and I just needed to grow out a little bit. Okay, it'll be fine. I swear, it'll be fine. It's just, yeah, never mind. Let's move on. Hasmukh, yes. Hi, Lachu. My favorite actor, like I said, favorite actor to matlab I like a lot of a lot of shows that have had, like Manoj Bajpayee. I loved him in Family Man, and he has consecutively been a great actor, someone who I look up to and I can learn a lot from. Also, I would say, so my my personal favorite, I would say, is from this show called Jamtara. New favorite, I would say, is Monica. I think she was in Jamtara and she is fabulous. Like I wish I get a chance to meet her and tell her this, but she is amazing with her role in the show. And if you guys have not watched it, please do watch it along with Hasmukh. I'm here to reply to you guys only, so please ask me so that I can reply. So yeah, go ahead. Again, thank you very much for appreciating my role and me in Hasmukh. This was not my first. This was my first web series. Yes, this was my first ever time working with, like for a web show. Yes, but I have done television, and I had put up a post about the shows that I've done in the past. So, and they're all available online. So if you guys want to all like check it out, you guys can. Since अभी घर बैठे कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हैं, तो might as well check it out. आई पुट इट अप अगेन. मैं फिर से वो पोस्ट डाल दूंगी कि आप एटलीस्ट जान लो कि मैंने क्या क्या किया है, और अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है देखने में तो आप देख सकते हो. रियल दर्शील मिश्रा, हाय. Hello. Can you love me? I love all of you guys. That's a very like a very general question. Can you love me? Of course I love you guys. Waiting for season 2. Yes, that will hopefully be out soon once quarantine is over. Because a lot of projects, generally not just Hasmukh, but a lot of projects have generally stopped getting shot because obviously everyone's home and everybody has to be safe. So I think once the lockdown is over, everybody will get back to work and y'all will get a lot more shows and series to watch. I know time कम होगा फिर क्योंकि सब काम पे जाएंगे, but we can always take some time out during the weekends and watch, है ना? Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Why so pretty and how? 90% mom and dad. I think 8% makeup and like 2% me. I am not from Delhi. I am from Mumbai. I've been born and brought up in Mumbai. And my school, my dad and my mom. My mom was born actually in Amritsar in Punjab, and my dad's been born in Mumbai. So like my mom was brought up in Mumbai. So I'm a Mumbai girl. Most people are here after Hasmukh. That's because they like my role and I like them because they like me. What will be your new project? So the only thing that I did after I finished shooting for Hasmukh was like these little chota roles in. One was Kulfi Kumar on Star Plus and one was Tenali Rama. But Tenali Rama करते बंद हो गया because obviously lockdown की वजह से. बट अभी देखते हैं. अभी तो कुछ फिलहाल ऐसा कुछ बड़ा है नहीं बिकॉज सभी कुछ बंद हो रहा था एंड आई वॉज ट्रैवलिंग. तो आई थिंक एक बार ख़त्म हो जाए लॉकडाउन तो देखते हैं. एंड जब भी कुछ होगा तो आई विल ऑब्वियसली टेल यू गाइज. आई विल बी माई फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. What was my reaction after getting a role in Hasmukh? So my journey for Hasmukh has actually been over the past 2 years. The first day I shot for Hasmukh was back in August 2018. We were in Lucknow doing our outdoors and I was तो मतलब ऐसा होता है एक्टर की लाइफ में कि आपको थोड़ा ब्रेक मिल जाता है 1 महीने के लिए 1.5 महीने के लिए. तो मेरे लाइफ में भी ऐसे कुछ हुआ था. एंड मेरा एक बहुत प्यारा सा दोस्त है कविश सिन्हा जिसको मैं बहुत सालों से जानती हूँ. तो आई एक्चुअली कॉल्ड हिम अप एंड आई सेड कि कैन आई एक्चुअली ही कॉल्ड मी फॉर एन ऑडिशन फॉर अनदर शो एंड unfortunately I was too young to play the part that he auditioned me for, so वो हो नहीं पाया. The show is out though called Apharan. So basically I got back in touch with him and मैंने उसे कहा कि अभी तो मैं फ़िलहाल शूट नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं घर पे हूँ, फ्री हूँ, तो can I come and help you with casting, because casting is it's a brilliantly interesting job. It's also very tough to do. Hats off to all the casting directors because it's very tough to find like writers and directors and everybody behind the camera who is a part of writing a script. They want a character to be look wise, physique wise, everything, like acting wise they need a character to be a certain way, and it's a very tough job to actually find someone who fits perfectly in that. Because एक बार आपके दिमाग में एक outline बन जाता है, तो you need to find someone to fit that character perfectly, which was what I was helping Kavish with on and off during that summer. And he ended up getting the script for Hasmukh, and he was casting for it, and he said, why don't you come down and audition for this? And I auditioned with him, and then I was called to the office because मेरे audition में मैंने actually चश्मे नहीं पहने थे. All of you, like I would say 95% of messages that I have got were because of the look, which is the whole chashma look, and I had not worn that for my audition. So I was called back. The director, Nikhil Gonzalez, he and our chief AD at that time, Abhay Pannu, they sat with me. We did a reading of a scene, and they recorded me while I was wearing chashma. And I was super scared कि ये हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है पता ही नहीं था. But finally, after a couple of days, I got a call from them saying it works. And I had a huge problem because I was like, मैं चश्मा पहनूंगी, चश्मे के पीछे how am I going to be able to emote? You know, it's tough. मैंने कभी किया नहीं है. So, but the creator of the show, Nikhil Advani, he was very adamant कि चश्मा तो पहनना है. So I would say thank you, Nikhil sir, for actually saying, being so like, you know, पहनना तो पहनना है kinds, because a lot of people have liked that. So, yep. Any more questions like these? I have a lot of stories to tell. Thank you all of you for being so loving towards me. Everybody has like say Akshay Gupta, hi. Crush updated. Okay guys, I'm not reading out all this. I cried so much and all. No spoilers, okay? Y'all can write. I'm reading every comment, but I'm not going to say anything. I'm not giving out any spoilers. I am Maharashtrian, yes. Abhijit. I'm half Maharashtrian, half Punjabi. So I speak Marathi fluently. I speak Punjabi fluent-ishly. Hindi and English. So yes, I am Maharashtrian. I would love to see. I would love to do a more powerful character. Actually, I'm really hoping that in the future I get the opportunity to do a lot more work and a lot more, demanding roles, because that's how, I can test myself as an actor more than anybody else testing me. I want to test myself as an actor. Who else? I'm not an MBA student. I did my graduation in BMM, so Bachelor's of Mass Media, and Advertising. So that's my educational qualification. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Oh my god, that just... अरे यार, ऐसे ऊपर फट ऊपर जा रहा है. मुझे पढ़ने में टाइम ही नहीं, मतलब मिल ही नहीं रहा है टाइम. So what work I had to put in for my character? Basically, Riya is a very like genuine girl next door. She's working, she's living in a city like Bombay with her roommate, with her flatmate Sasha. And for me, I have a lot of friends who I know who are my age. Luckily, Riya and my age is quite similar. Like I think Riya would be somewhere around 24, 25-ish, and I am 26. So it's very like similar, the age. So basically I had to be very observant of how a girl who has come from another city, who is living here, paying for a house, going to work every day, how she would think. And a lot actually went into kind of being myself, but being very, like, I am a crazy person in reality. I can talk, I can constantly talk, and I'm like, you guys can see how much I can talk. But I had to be very, like, controlled for Ria. And luckily it was quite easy to slip into the character, because the minute I would get dressed accordingly, like, I'm a very casual dresser, and not like Ria is anything different, but the hair and the makeup and the clothes, and once the glasses were on me, I was Ria, like, that is set. So yeah, that's how I kind of became Ria. Okay, धीरे 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 से, एक सेकेंड, let me go back ऊपर and see. Okay. Again, upcoming projects, I will let you guys know soon. Hello from Dubai. Hi from Mumbai. Experience working with Ranveer, Shori and Veertas. I'm going to get back to that question, because there is like another question very similar I saw. National guys, I'm crushing on you guys, yeah. ऐसे मत मुझे ऐसे ब्लश मत करवाओ इतना. Jimmy. I look like a typical Delhi girl. I kind of like that. You are so beautiful. Okay, again, yeah, Veerdas or Ranveer Shori. I am just reading, guys. Sorry, I went quiet for like 5 minutes. Okay, so basically, again, like, since someone asked me if how was the experience working with Veer and Ranveer. So, they are quite fun actually to work with. I would say that it was very easy. It was very nice to kind of do scenes with both of them. There has been a lot of times where we've improvised, and it was quite fun. I'll tell you guys this. Okay, so my funniest moment in the entire show while shooting with the both of them, for example, was the scene of the party where the party in honor of Hasmukh, and I'm standing there on my phone or whatever, and I'm telling them about their potential next target. And we're standing there, and Jimmy has a glass of champagne in his hand, and I have no glass of champagne. Like, the waiter comes and he's giving Jimmy champagne, and like take चल रहा है, conversation हो रही है, dialogue deliver हो रहे हैं, and रणवीर ने अपना यहाँ से मेरे सामने लाके आई एम अबाउट टू टेक इट. दिस इज लाइक फुल इम्प्रोवाइज. मुझे लगा हाँ रणवीर शोरी है, इम्प्रोवाइज करता ही है. तो रणवीर ने ऐसे ग्लास लिया, मैं ऐसे लेने गई हूँ, और वो ग्लास उसने वीर को पकड़ा है. अपेरेंटली दीज गाइज पुलिंग माई लेग, एंड इफ यू गो एंड सी that particular scene, you will see my expression. I'm like, so that was me. So you can imagine how much fun we've had shooting, because this is what used to happen. And it's been like, it used to be crazy on set, because obviously not just Veer but even Ranveer is a funny guy, so we used to have like a lot of joke cracking and a lot of light-hearted humor going around all through the set. So it was quite like, it was a good time shooting. Okay, now again, let's go. But Sorry guys, my AC is making a lot of noise, huh? Background music. Speak in Marathi. I can. I'm not lying, I can. But आता सगळ्यांना कळणार नाही मी काय बोलते ते, तर नेक्स्ट टाइम बहुतेक मी मराठीत लाईव्ह करीन, तेव्हा तुम्ही या आणि मी मराठीत तुमच्याशी बोलेन. Ajinkya is getting like a lot of hate from the entire world. Like, bechara, Shantanu. I am reading. How is my family life? My family life is great. I have my family right where I stay, so not very far off. So I meet them, and I have a very cute. I have two very cute doggies. I love doggies, so I'm missing them, though I have not been able to meet them for over a month because of the lockdown. Where you came from? What's my story? Okay, so my story is basically so I have been I've been a dancer for as long as I remember, and I started dancing at the age of 3. I'm a classically trained dancer in Odissi. I know I haven't told anybody about this, but you guys know now. So yeah, I started dancing, and in school for annual days I always used to dance. And then one day in my 10th grade, I had to go to school to submit some things so I went with my nani, and my nani was very pally with all my teachers and everything. So I went, and there were these auditions happening for the school play, and Nani is like, try kar le, ja, audition kar le. I said, गाना भी होता है यहाँ पे. It's not very easy. Like, I've never acted. Dance तो ठीक है कर ही लूँगी, but ना acting किया है कभी, ना गाना गाया है मैंने कभी life में. तो she said, तो क्या होता है, नहीं मिलेगा, क्या बड़ी बात है. So I went, I sang, what did I sing? Raindrops and Roses. So I sang that, and then I did a little bit of dancing and whatever, and I got the role. And that was my first ever play. I played Eliza Doolittle in this play called Pygmalion, and that's how my acting journey started. Actually, I did a lot of theatre after that when I got out of school, and I did my first show, Bani Ishq Da Kalma, on Colors, and while I was studying actually, so I had to kind of balance my graduation with my shoot. So it was tough, but it was fun. So I started like working when I was 16, and here I am with my first web show on Netflix. Like, by the way, I am already on Netflix. Just giving you guys a little insight. Agent Raghav. So I did Agent Raghav in 2015, and those episodes are also on Netflix. So if you and just there in one episode, ना तो देख लेना पूरा, no problem. But I'm only one. तो मेरा Netflix debut हो चुका था. और क्या questions है? Okay, there are like niche questions, so I'm going to just look at that. I don't know if this video will pause or whatever, but I am here, okay? Don't leave. I'm just going to look at these questions. Love from Delhi. Okay, so a lot of questions about my role in Maharana Pratap also. So, yeah, Maharana Pratap was something that I did a couple of, I think 5-6 years ago. And it was a really nice like character, because a lot of people were watching Maharana Pratap at that point, and it was very different because it was a mytho. It was my first mytho that I had done. एंड बहुत तामझाम होता है गाइज, वो इतना सब कुछ पहन के बैठ के शूट करना बहुत बहुत तामझाम होता है. बट इट वॉज अ वेरी वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज I made friends, Ashka. So like it's basically every set has a very different environment to work on, and it depends on like how many. So basically Maharana mein a lot of scenes used to be of like everybody together, like all like सारे कास्ट, एंड द कास्ट लिस्ट वाज ह्यूज. लाइक आप कभी IMDb पे जाके कास्ट लिस्ट देखो या विकीपीडिया पे जाके कास्ट लिस्ट देखो तो मतलब 1000 तो है ही लोग. सो इट वाज ह्यूज. सो कभी कभार चांस मिलता था, कभी कभार नहीं. एंड वन थिंग दैट आई रियली रियली गॉट आउट ऑफ महाराणा प्रताप वाज Tasha Kapoor. I love that girl. She is one of my dearest, closest friends and my favorite girl in the world. And yeah, I'm thankful for Maharana Pratap for that. Specs suit me more. हाँ मतलब I also like chashma on me, but I don't wear it. I don't have a number in reality. तो क्यों पहनूं? But don't worry, I'll give you some like photographs in pictures in like BTS and things like that. Hi Deepak Arora. New crush of Indians. National crush. I am just super like, I don't know, I'm really really happy that you guys actually feel like that about me. Right now I am in Mumbai. I'm in my house, chilling, getting a little bored. How is my experience in Hasmukh? Like I said, it was really really nice. Also, I made a lot of really nice friends. Like we had a brilliant team to work with, from like the hair, makeup, costumes, actors, direction team, everybody, every single person has been super to work with. And it's been a very very nice experience because it was a really it took a lot of like time to shoot because we shot in like bits and pieces. So it's been a very very nice journey actually, like good 2 years. How is the feeling of being the new crush of India? Am I really? Like, I don't know. Like, you guys are really really sweet for saying that. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. I really am. What y'all want to see me in glasses? Okay, I have glasses. I do because पड़े रहते हैं घर पे ऐसे बिना नंबर के glasses मेरे पास. So here you guys. This is for you guys. Okay. So yeah. How is Jimmy's performance in real? Bhai, Ranveer Shori is one of the most, I would say, spectacular actors that we have. Like, he has done such amazing work in the past, and he is, as a person, he is really, really amazing. And he's very nice to work with. Like, really, really nice to work with. Also, there is so much to learn from him. Like, he's at so much ease when he plays a character. Even with Jimmy, it's so different from what he would play generally. he had the golden teeth, and matlab, it was very icky to be honest, but with so much ease, the language that he grasped and everything, it was very very nice, and there's so much to learn from him actually, which I think I did. Like, scenes with him used to be like really smooth, because it's a lot of give and take between actors when you actually shoot, and he's a great performer in general, so there was a lot of comfort level when it came to shooting with him. Hmm. Uh, 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 hmm. वीरदास का नया शो कब आ रहा है? ही इज डूइंग शोज आई थिंक ऑन Zoom. अभी तो फिलहाल फॉर couple of charities that he's doing. So that's about it. I don't know when his next show is. I shall find out. I've never watched him live, so probably when the lockdown gets over, I'll go and do that. Mm-hmm. ओके. आप बॉलीवुड में एंट्री, यार कोई मुझे कास्ट कर ले तो मैं एंट्री अभी कर दूं बॉलीवुड में. कर लो कास्ट. How I came into this industry. Like I said, I was doing theatre, and I was helping around taking auditions. I used to take auditions, and I was taking auditions for this show called Bani Ishq Da Kalma, which was going to be aired on Colors. This was way back in 2013, and I used to take auditions because I had a little bit of experience when I was doing theatre and everything. तो वो ऑडिशन लेते लेते आई वॉज आस्क्ड कि आपको इसके लिए ऑडिशन करना है क्या, तो आई ऑडिशन और बस सिलेक्ट हो गई. मैं चैनल डिसलेक्ट कर लिया, एंड दैट वाज माय बिग डेब्यू ऑन टीवी, एंड बस इट्स जस्ट बिन गोइंग ऑन सिंस देन. So my favorite romantic movie, Notting Hill, like that, Pretty Woman, and yeah, like that. Those are my two. Also, Love Actually. That is a movie that I watch every Christmas. कोई मेरे साथ देखे ना देखे, it doesn't matter. मैं देखती तो हूँ definitely. It's a beautiful movie. Please go watch it. Yes, I was born and brought up in Mumbai. Guys, please spoilers मत दो यार, कट्टी हो जाऊंगी. How many times? I watched only once. Actually, total में I've watched it thrice, because 4 times actually. Because when the edit got done, I went into the office and I watched the second and the third episode. And second, third, fourth episode, I watched like 3 episodes back to back, just for like a look कि कैसा दिख रहा है. उसके बाद में when we had to go dubbing, तो I saw all my scenes from like I think episode 2 में आती हूँ मैं, episode 2 to like the end. And then we also had to dub it in English because Hasmukh has released all over the world. So तब मैंने तीसरी बार देखा. Sorry. तब मैंने तीसरी बार देखा. Obviously my scenes more, and then when it released I saw the entire thing. प्लीज टॉक इन हिंदी. सॉरी, मैं हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश तो पूरी करूँगी. My favorite color is purple. I like purple. There will be a second season, guys, but थोड़ा सा तो वेट करो. विशाल राज, हाय. My favorite scene from Hasmukh. Favorite scene from Hasmukh? When we were dancing. That was like everybody. It was a party. It was a crazy party. It was. I think we were all like actually दिल से डांस कर रहे थे. सॉरी गाइस, मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए उतारने वाली हूँ इसको. हम दिल से डांस कर रहे थे एंड दैट वाज माय फेवरेट सीन. प्रॉपर सीन अगर देखा जाए तो I had a lot of fun shooting the Never Have I Ever, like the short thing. But problem ये था कि हम एक अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन बिल्डिंग में शूट कर रहे थे जिसमें लिफ्ट नहीं चल रही थी, तो हम वो कंस्ट्रक्शन वाली लिफ्ट यूज़ कर रहे थे. एंड शूट चल रहा था 16th फ्लोर पे और वैनिटीज़ मेकअप रूम्स हमारी थी ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे. और ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज हम शूट कर रहे तो हम अल्कोहल तो नहीं पी रहे थे, हम पानी पी रहे थे. तो जैसे जैसे हमें शॉट ख़त्म होता था और जितने हमने शॉट पिए वहाँ पे, तो हमें बाथरूम के लिए पूरे 16 माले नीचे जाना पड़ता था और इतना स्ट्रेस होता था क्योंकि वो लिफ्ट ऐसे इतनी हिलती थी. एंड मतलब बहुत इट वॉज वेरी स्कैरी. लाइक इट वॉज एक बार आई थिंक 1-2 बार रुकी भी थी. आई थिंक रणवीर उसमें फंस भी गया था. बहुत ही स्कैरी था. और मुझे आई हैव अ फियर ऑफ हाइट्स गाइज, जस्ट फॉर इन्फॉर्मेशन. आई हैव अ फियर ऑफ हाइट्स. तो वेन एवर वी यूज टू कम अप आई वुड नॉट लुक आउटसाइड. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे बिल्डिंग की इस तरफ बिल्डिंग की लाइक द डोर वॉज देयर और इस तरफ यू कैन सी नीचे तक पूरा. एंड सामने कुछ और नहीं था बिकॉज इफ यू सी द व्यू फ्रॉम दैट हाउस इन द सीज, बस पूरा एम्प्टी है, पूरा खाली है. Like there's nothing around it. You can see the sea link from there, Mumbai sea link. And हम एक बार ऊपर भी आ रहे थे एंड निखिल सर ने तो मतलब मुझे इतना डरा दिया था उस टाइम पे कि he would कुछ ना कुछ बहाने मार के एंड he stood over there, so like where the back was, जहाँ से कुछ सब खाली था. एंड मुझसे बात कर रहे थे. अभी बात करने के लिए उनकी तरफ तो देखना ही पड़ता था. तो मैं इतनी डर जाती थी, मैंने जवाब ही उनको देना बंद कर दिया था फिर बीच में कि आप बात करते रहो, मैं नहीं देख रही आपकी तरफ. जिमी आजा. The character challenging. I would say it was kind of because Riya as a person is not very outgoing. I am, and थोड़ा control करना पड़ता था. Like I had to control myself because in a genuine, like in a scene generally I would have been all over the place. I would have been, if I had to be myself, I would have been very like loud and talk the way I am talking. But because obviously the character was not like that and she had to be very poised and very like dignified and very calm at the same time, I had to like from 100 to like 20 I had to bring my energy levels down. So thank you. Live आते रहूंगी. Yes, I will keep coming live, you guys. Actors often get paid less as compared to the work they do. See, very honestly, I would agree and disagree also, because it depends a lot on where you stand at that time. See, if you're starting right now, then like in any job, there is a base amount that you get paid. If you start working in an office, in a corporate office, I think the base amount would be around 10 to 15,000 a month if you're getting paid that much. So even with actors, it is like that. The more work you do, the more, the better you are at your work. Obviously, if you're good at your work, you're going to get more work. It's like a promotion. So the more you work towards that, the more work you do, the more experience you have, the more you can actually get paid. So it differs actually. So yeah. Mm, how do you look forward to hopping into Bollywood? I would love to. I would really love to do a film with a really nice, like a good premise and a great story. I would. I actually would. If anybody is listening out there, please hi. Um, I am not married. No, I am not. uh, yes. With the how are you dealing with the newfound fame? I am actually loving every single bit of it. It's overwhelming, to be honest. I never even imagined कि इतना प्यार मिलेगा, इतनी अप्रिसिएशन मिलेगी मेरे रोल के लिए, शो के लिए, मेरे लिए. लाइक it's very very overwhelming, and I'm loving every single bit of it. Mm-hmm. Why are you looking different than in photos right now? It's very different to it does actually happen. You don't look like your photos most of the time. At least I don't know. Like, this is me. See, this is live, so you all know this is how I look right now. Sometimes photos का क्या होता है, थोड़ा पहले ले लेते हैं या look change कर लेते हैं. We actually do that for a couple of pictures. If say, like, if I want to do a very Indian look, so I will wear a sari and I will wear a bindi and kajal and eyeliner and do my hair in a bun or like choti or whatever. So a lot of difference happens when you take pictures and when you are viewing someone like in reality. Also, every character is different. So what I have played as, what I look as Ria, is not necessarily who I am in real life. I am playing a character, and this is me in reality. I hope you like me. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Uh, Hi. I was going to come to Chandigarh, but lockdown हो गया. Where are my specs? They are right here. It was थोड़ा सा hot, so I got थोड़ा. There you go. What's my Rashi? I am a Gemini. Jimmy, and my chemistry is super. Thank you, thank you for liking it. I bet you look damn sweet in bong attire. Actually, I have a picture in a Bengali attire. I attended a Bengali wedding like last month in March, and I was in Calcutta for that. And scroll on my profile, you will see me in a Bengali sari. This AC is making too much noise. Sanjeet, hi. Love from Kolkata. I love Kolkata. I want to spend some more time there actually. I didn't spend enough time. Thank you again, all of you, for appreciating my work in Hasmukh. I'm very, very happy that you guys have loved it and loved me. Can we have a live session daily till the lockdown ends? Daily तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but आज क्या है? आज I don't even know what day it is, guys. आज जो भी दिन है, 5 दिन के बाद या 2 दिन के बाद I'll come back. I promise. um, okay. Oh my god, there's so much. Nil. Nil? Okay. Guys, I am not married. I am not. Please. Not yet. Mm, I actually am not casting anymore, but if you guys want, there are a lot of people who are. So go and find their names out. What do you do whole day in lockdown? Uh, what do I do? I wake up, I eat breakfast, I chill on the phone. I'm watching this show called Shameless on Amazon Prime. बहुत लंबा शो है, 10 सीजन्स है, मैंने एक ही सीजन ख़त्म किया है, तो आई एम जस्ट वॉचिंग दैट. इट्स अ नाइस शो, इट्स एक्चुअली क्वाइट नाइस. पुराना है थोड़ा, बट it's really good, so I'm watching that. So I watched that a little bit, and then I cook. I don't cook. I help cooking me, and then I eat, and then I watch some more TV, and I go to sleep. Ajinkya is giving competition to Arturo from Money Heist as most hated character. Bichara. Oh. But even I don't like Arturo, so I understand why. Vishal, hi Vishal. With and without spectacles are two different personalities. Yeah, that actually happens with most people, I would say. Hi Rajkumar from Odisha. I am a Odissi dancer. जिमी बेचारा आपको बहुत याद करता है. I miss Ranveer too. He's a funny guy. Oh my god, so many of you guys. Thank you for coming and viewing my live. अब मैं 5 मिनट और रुकूंगी और फिर मैं चली जाऊंगी क्योंकि मुझे भूख लग रही है और मुझे खाना खाना है. Have you worked in any Bollywood movies? I have not worked in any Bollywood movies. Actually, I did a little cameo thing for this movie called Rom Rom Mein, which has Nawazuddin Siddiqui, which was released in a film festival, Busan Film Festival, basically last year. And it was like literally 2 scenes, but it wasn't even a Bollywood debut because it's not released in Bollywood. It's just a film festival film, and Tanishta Chatterjee was the director, and hopefully it should come out soon, but I want to do more. Please, give me. I'm from Mumbai. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. Sorry, somebody just said I liked her chubby cheeks, so I'm like giving them. When you read the script of Hasmukh, what's your first impression and how you get role in Hasmukh? My first impression of the script was that it's a very different concept altogether. Like I understand the concept. Basically, obviously, I will not murder anybody, but basically, as an actor, everybody, or as an artist for that matter, not just an actor, as an artist, most artists have these little quirks जहाँ पे उनको कुछ चाहिए होता है या कुछ वो करते हैं जिससे उनको फील आए. जैसे मुझे अगर एक इमोशनल सीन करना होता है तो आई लिसन टू म्यूज़िक, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे वो फील आता है. तो ऑब्वियसली a lot of people have a lot of different things, बट ये किसी ने कभी किया नहीं है. लाइक दिस कॉन्सेप्ट किसी ने कभी किया नहीं है. प्लस उसके आगे आप उस फील को दिखाने के लिए आप एक मर्डरर का कैरेक्टर बनाते हो, विच इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. तो व्हेन आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज क्वाइट अम्यूज्ड दैट दिस टॉपिक इज बीइंग thought of and being ventured into. And मुझे जब रोल मिला and when I got to know, so the audition scene that I did was basically the scene where I am telling Jimmy and Hasmukh about Jameel Indori. So I read the script of the audition and I was like, आंखें चम्मच से आंखें निकाली and I'm like, oh my god, this is going to be some next level, like blood and eyes and eyeballs. and मैं वही सोच रही हूँ कि how are they going to show like eyeballs? But my dear friend Payal Balse has done an amazing job with the prosthetics. And if you see, like if you go and follow her account, she's actually put up pictures of how she made the eyeballs, and which is like great. So I liked the scene when I did the audition only, and then when I got the script I read it and I'm like, so basically Riya is actually giving them like information on people and they are going and murdering them. Have you guys ever thought about it? Jameel Indori ko they were going to murder because Riya told them. They were going to murder Rahul Kapoor because he did whatever like with Riya. So it's like this Riya is the main cause of everything. Not obviously he's murdering, but she's feeding them information कि ये बुरा आदमी है, वो बुरा आदमी है. So that's how they're getting their list of people to murder, basically. Think about it. Hi everybody, all the hellos and highs and lockdown schedule: sleep, eat, chill, eat, chill, sleep. Okay guys, I have literally like 1 minute 49 seconds remaining. Okay, Instagram has told me that I need to get out, so that is it. You all have 1 minute. Sitanshu, I can't wait to see what you're done with all our singing and shitty singing that I have done. I can't wait for the video. What else? What about Hyderabad? One word about Hyderabad. I've never been. I would love to, and I've heard Hyderabadi biryani is amazing. So when I come there, please tell me where I can go and get some good biryani. चलो भाई, 1 मिनट बाकी है, उसके बाद में टाटा बाय बाय. Is Veer that funny even generally? Yeah, he is, but he's very subtle with his funniness when it's not on screen. So yeah, he is. Am I a director's actor or do I do my own character work? I do my own character work, obviously. And then when I go, I really like it when the director would explain things to me and tell me how I'm supposed to be in the character. So yeah, I can switch from a director's actor to being someone who can, like, obviously I do my own research and then I like the director to guide me. Okay guys, 14 seconds remaining. Okay, time to say bye. I have this chat. I'm going to read all your questions and I'm going to respond to them again. I'm going to come live soon. I love you guys.